Hi everyone, welcome back to StartDevOps. I am Mahbub. Previous video I explained about the Linux. So Linux principles, why Linux. Then we understand the some directory structure in Linux. Then we use some commands, basics commands, which is how to create a file, how to delete a file. Then we copy file, then we move file. These are all things in previous video we have seen. So in this video, we are going to see this some more basics commands. After that, we will learn the VIM editor. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and join our Star DevOps community and also connect on me LinkedIn. Yeah, let's share my screen. So let's we recall yesterday's topics. Previous topic what we have done. So first, the command we have used, we want to find where we are exact in current location, where we are in. So what's the command? It's pwd, present working directory. Yeah, here we are in Vagrant home directory. Vagrant is a user here, so we are in this home directory. Let me check is there we have created any files or folders here. There is a command list out, ls command. Yeah, we have created before the Linux practices is a folder. Let's move to that folder. For moving that folder, we use cd commands here. Cd Linux practices, then hit enter. Yeah, you can see here there was a local host before. Here Linux practices. So we are in this folder now. Let's we see is there any data in this particular folder. So what command we use here? So we use here ls command, then hit enter. Yeah, there is a data inside that Linux practices. There are two directories and three files are available here. Yeah, so till that we have learned before previous video. So now in this video we are going to learn some more basic commands. Then we will learn the VIM editor. In Windows we use, suppose if we want to create, suppose if we want to enter any data in that particular file, what we do? We use editors. Similarly, we have a editors here, Nano editor and VIM editor. We use VIM editor, which is mostly used as a DevOps engineer. VIM editor is good. So we will see that also. Let's we learn the basics command first. And also we have discussed the relative path and absolute path previous video. So the relative path is nothing but the whole path from the directory, from the root directory to till end. The absolute path is nothing but the particular path, only that particular path from which directory to that directory. That is called absolute path, sorry, relative path. Yeah, in this video we are going to see the how to remove files. Suppose if you don't want any file, how do you delete that file? So we have in Windows we select that particular file. There is a delete button. We will delete it. But here there is no graphical. There is no buttons here. We have to give commands. So there is a command rm, the file name, file 2. Then hit enter. Let's check if the file is available or not. So you can see there is no file here. File 2 we have deleted. It's gone. We will copy one one directory to another directory. Suppose we have a DevOps directory here. and we have VP directory here. We will copy this VP directory into DevOps directory. There is a command called copy cp hyphen v or f, then p, then the directory which we have to copy, that particular directory name, VP directory, then the location of that directory. DevOps directory. And there is a typographical error here. Let me check. DevOps directory. Then hit enter here. Let's see the directory is available in that particular directory or not. cdo into DevOps directory. We are going to move that. We are going to enter the directories using cd command. DevOps directory. There we will check the VP directory available or not. So you can see the VP directory is available there also, here also. Let's we see how to remove a directory. So we have two directories here, so we don't need one more directory, so we can remove it. To remove that particular directory, we use command rm hyphen rf, then the directory name VP directory. Now we will check is there available or not. You can see there is nothing, no data is available in cd directory. So what we have learned till now? So we have learned how to remove file, delete file. Then we have seen how to copy one directory to another directory, and also how to delete directory also. Yeah, let's we see the VIM editor now. Suppose we want to create a file. So we are in where we are now. So we are in DevOps directory. Here we want to create a file. That file is containing the data about your information, about your name, your age, and your education qualification, and your profession. These are all things we have to mention in that particular file. So let's see how we are going to edit using VIM editor here. Okay. Yeah. The file name is bio. Yeah. So this is VIM editor. So you can see the command prompt has been changed. This is a editor. It's called VIM editor in Linux. It has three modes. Number one, command mode. This is a command mode here. So whenever we open an editor, there is a command mode first will become. So suppose if we try to write anything here, Yeah, let me open once again. Yeah, this is command line. Suppose we try to write anything here. So we cannot write anything here. Why? Because it is in command mode. If you want to write anything in that particular VIM editor, in that particular file with the help of VIM editor, we need to move to the insert mode. There is a second mode. Whenever we open a editor, there is a command mode. First, it will open in command mode, so we cannot write and we cannot do anything here. First, we do. Suppose if we want to write anything in that particular file using this VM, we need to move to the insert mode. There we have to press I. Now you can see here is a insert. Now we are in insert mode. Let's write something here. Hi, I am Habu. Then founder of Start DevOps. Then I am 27 years old. I am living in Bengaluru. Before it was Bangalore, now it is a Bengaluru. Yeah, so these are all things we have inserted here. Now we have to give a command escape first. We know we have to move to another mode, extended command mode. Now we are moving to extended command mode. First, we have a command mode. There we cannot write anything. Then we have a insert mode. There we can write everything. Then we are going to move to the extended command mode. There we have to press escape to come out from the editor. Then we have to give a colon, then W, then Q. W means save and Q is quit. Then hit enter. So we came out. So we want to see the what is in that particular file. We list out the file. So there is a bio file is available. We want to see that particular file, what is in that file. To see that particular file, we have a command called cat, then file name. You can see here. So what is available? So hi, I am Abu, founder of StartDevOps. I am 27 years old. I am living in Bangalore. Let me clear the screen. Yeah, sorry, there is a typo. Yeah, ls. So once again, we can see cat command we use, then the file name by you. Yeah, here our data is available. So till that what we have learned? First we learn the how to remove files, how to move files from one folder, how to move directory from one directory to another directory. Then we are CVIM editor, so which is a editor in Linux. So there are three modes in VIM editor. First mode is command mode. So there we cannot insert any data. Then we have insert mode. So if we want to write something, we have to move to the insert mode there. So there is a key we have to press. That key is I. Yeah, so when we press I, so it will allow to write something. Then we will move to the extended mode. So which is saving and exit. There we are giving, so first we press escape button, then we press colon, then W uh, for saving and Q for quit and come out. These are all things we have learned till now. Yeah, so we will see some more operations here. Let me, yeah, so there is a bio here, this file. So with the help of VI emitter, some more operation we will do. Suppose how we can copy, suppose we want to copy that particular line, how we can copy, and if we want to undo any operation we have done, and if we want to redo that operation, these are all things we will see now. So let's move into the VIM editor. So VIM, then the file name, enter. So now we are in VIM editor. Yeah, first mode is a command mode. Suppose our cursor is where our cursor? You can see our cursor is here. I am living in Bangalore here. Our cursor is. So I want to move my cursor here. So there are few ways. I can using up arrow down, up arrow, I can move that cursor. But I want, so there are lots of hundred thousands of line. So it's really hard to go from the top of the line. So for that we have yeah, we have command. There we, whenever we press that commands, it will move to that particular first line. It will move to the first line. So the command are GG, small GG. Whenever we press GG, GG. So you can see the cursor is moved here. And whenever we press capital G, the cursor back to the end of the line. What we have learned here. So whenever, so there are thousands of lines or data is available that particular file, and you want to modify the first line. So it's very hard to move the first line with the help of these up arrow keys and down arrow keys. For that we have commands. So whenever we press small gg two times, it will move to the first line. When we press capital G, it will come to the last line. And suppose the cursor wants to forward from one word to another word. So there we can go to one character to another character by using the arrow keys, left arrow, right arrow. Uh, you want to move to the character, I mean word by word. For that we have command W. Whenever you press W, it will move. See, you can see. Yeah. And whenever you press B, it will backward. For forward, we use W. For backward, we use B. And suppose if we are writing something here, suppose let me go to insert mode. So here we have written some unknown text and we want to undo it. These are all text. There we use command UE. So first we need to move, go to the extended mode. So there is a U, yeah, escape. We have to press, then U button. Press U, it will undo. Everything will be gone. If you want to redo again, there is a control and R. We have to press R. It will redo. Control, then R. It will redo. Suppose I want to do undo once again, U. It will undo. And then colon. Without saving, we have to quit. We use Q, then exclamatory mark, then hit enter. So there is not saving. No need to save. Without saving forcefully, we are tweeting using command call exclamatory q. Then we have the exclamatory mark. Press enter. Yeah, till doubt. If you have any doubts, please make comment with me. So I will make sure to clear your doubts. So if you feel this video is helpful, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and also join our Star DevOps community, and also follow me on LinkedIn. So if you found any drawbacks while I am explaining and sharing knowledge, please let me know. I want to upgrade and share with my friends and audience. Till it, till that, have a great day. Thank you.